Okay, Mitch, we are into the apartment right now. Here we go. Dishwasher down there.
Hey, Mark. I'm just with a buyer right now. Can I back in 5 minutes? Can I fly back in 5 minutes?
Second bedroom. This would be the second bedroom. Right here we got west facing. You're looking right at Central Park Tower, 220 Central Park South, Trump. We also have the Time Warner Center. Got the nice view of the bed for the boys. Nice little shower for them. Okay. And then closet here. And we're gonna come over to the master.
We're missing a chair in the master, so there'll be a lounge chair next to this little orange table.
Okay. So it's got the double exposure, same as before. So this is west, and then from the master you get the nice view right here. This would be the master ensuite bathroom. Also in the bathroom there's a nice good pressure. There's automatic shades. Yeah, can we do that? Press the button there. It's okay. Here's the closet. Okay. Mirror here. I like the mirrors, so you can see the mirror. You can see the Central Park through the mirror. It's great, and everything is brand new, as you said.
All the furniture, all the rugs, everything.
And you can tell, Mitch, check this out. Super sweet. Got the herringbone floors. Cool. Just do one more quick loop through. All right, one more, and we will be done.